What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the only working way of jailbreaking iOS 12.2. So as you can see, I have iOS 12.2 on my iPhone, so let me show you how you can jailbreak. Go to this site, jailbreakOS.com. On the site, tap this install now button and it will take us to this page where we have to prove that we are not some kind of bot who is trying to jailbreak a bunch of iPhones and make money off them. So we must prove that we are a human by downloading two apps and opening them for 30 seconds each. All of these apps are of course safe and free to download, and after you open them for 60 seconds each, you will receive your free Cydia and jailbreak your iOS, guys. So I'll speed this part up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, that should be it. Now let's exit out of everything and see if this worked. So let's scroll and see, and right there I got my free Cydia. So go get your free Cydia and jailbreak your iOS at jailbreakOS.com. Let me know down in the comments if I can help you in any way. Leave a like, comment and subscribe guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.